So I just got a call from my storage unit saying that there's a leak coming from my unit. And I thought it was like that hydro backpack that I brought to Champs with. But like now actually being outside, it's raining pretty hard. Also super duper windy. So I left work early. It's 11 o'clock, 11 a.m. And I'm headed to the unit right now. My concerns of the things that are in the unit, there's like stuff like my social security card, my birth certificate, just because like those are hard to replace. Like everything else I don't really care much for. It's just like those two things are like the reasons I'm leaving right now. Like I don't care for this stuff. Now it's just kind of inconvenient. Just because like I pretty much have everything in this car. Everything like my clothes that I use often. So like I'm not worried about that. Like that's pretty much like in those Funko Pops or whatever. But I don't know. We'll see right now. I'm headed there. Well, that one got kind of smooshed, and it's all wet. All my stuff's out here. I'll have to see what's in this one. Yeah, so I handled all of that stuff, and I guess it was good. I got my work badge, I got my birth certificate and social security. Those were still cool. They just ruined that one box and some of the contents in there and some other stuff that I don't think can be replaced. But like I didn't want to do a claim or anything just because like they're probably going to hear it from a lot of people, and like I don't want to be, it was nothing, you know? So like I'm not trying to mess up someone's day just so I can come up a few bucks. Like that's, I don't know, that's not me. But yeah, I didn't want to bother them. They were cool with it. I mean, like don't get me wrong, I would have enjoyed like a price break or something, you know, like a discount. Like that would have been cool. Like I would have taken that. But I didn't want to start a whole claim for something super small. I mean, they did damage some stuff. The computer was fine. The main thing I was worried about was my birth certificate and social security card because I did leave it in there. But that was fine. I cleaned it out. I mean, not cleaned it out. I organized the storage unit a little better than how it was. So now there's a little bit more space. Other than that, there's no super damage. Just emotional damage. Physical damage. Just because I had to clear out my entire unit and I vacuumed the whole unit because it was wet. And I had everything in plastic bins or in plastic bags, you know, I mainly do it so it doesn't get dirty, but like this water thing was just like a bonus. But yeah, so I vacuumed it. I had the like that floor fan on it so it can dry faster. Yeah, that's the adventure today. It's a winter fucking wonderland. Look at all these snows. Oh my goodness.